Up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to allow pop-ups on your Google Chrome in a few seconds. Okay, pop-ups, I hope I pronounced this correctly. So this is very quick and easy guys. All you have to do is follow these exact steps and you will be able to allow pop-ups on your Google Chrome. Now the first thing guys you need to do is to click three little dots in the top right. After that guys, you want to move your mouse to settings, okay, and click on settings. Now after guys you click on settings, you want to click on where it says here where it says privacy and security. Now after guys you click on privacy and security, you will have to click on, like you will see here a few different options that come up here. You want to click on site settings, as you can see. Now after guys you click on site settings, you want to just scroll down a little bit, okay. Now after guys you scroll down at the very bottom, you can see here pop-ups redirects, okay, redirects. Now you will see here pop-up redirects. Click on don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You want to click on it. Now you will see here two different options guys. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You want to just enable this by selecting the first option where it says sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. You can just click on allow here, and that's exactly how you can enable or allow pop-ups on your Google Chrome. You can also, like, if you want to not allow a specific you know, you can just you can just add here a website where it says not allowed to send pop-ups. You can just add here, and you can add the specific website if you don't want to receive pop-ups from that specific website. You can just add it here, for example facebook.com, for example, and then click add, and you will not receive it from that specific website, but you will receive it from other websites. But if you want to allow only a specific site to send pop-ups, you can just select the second option that says here allow to send pop-ups. Here you can just click add, and then you can add that website that you want to receive pop-ups from. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.